Let's start practice. Question number 1. 26 plus 23 minus 44 plus 52 plus 12 minus 55. Write your answer. Now start next question. 28 plus 21 minus 19 plus 54 minus 22. Write your answer. Now next question. 14 plus 15 minus 10 plus 60 minus 19 plus 7. Write your answer. Now next question. 26 plus 13 minus 33 plus 11 plus 61 minus 66 plus 15. Write your answer. Now next question. 44 plus 55 minus 88 plus 53 minus 60 plus 25 minus 19. Write your answer. Now next question. 27 plus 12 minus 19 plus 55 minus 15 plus 19. Write your answer. Now next question. 44 minus 22 plus 55 minus 66 plus 53 minus 13. Write your answer. Now next question. 62 minus 51 plus 23 plus 15 minus 44 plus 23. Write your answer. Now next question. 42 minus 22 plus 25 minus 30 plus 54 minus 19. Write your answer. Now next question. 65 minus 55 plus 34 plus 5 minus 29 plus 5. Write your answer. Now next question. 46 minus 35 plus 22 minus 30. Write your answer. Now next question. 33 minus 30 plus 15 minus 8 plus 22. Write your answer. Now next question. 24 minus 20 plus 55 minus 9 plus 27. Write your answer. Now next question. 55 plus 44 minus 88 plus 55 minus 60 plus 20. Write your answer. Now next question. 24 plus 25 minus 40 plus 50 minus 7 plus 22. Write your answer. Now next question. 21 plus 25 minus 40 plus 22 minus 18 plus 55. Write your answer. Now next question. 43 minus 21 plus 55 minus 66 plus 33. Write your answer. Now next question. 19 plus 10 minus 9 plus 25 minus 40 plus 22. Write your answer. Now next question. 22 plus 25 plus 52 minus 29 plus 2 plus 20. Write your answer. Now next question. 15 plus 20 minus 30 plus 14 minus 10 plus 20. Write your answer. Now next question. 22 plus 55 minus 11 minus 66 plus 52. Write your answer. Now next question, 72 minus 51 plus 12 minus 31 plus 15. Write your answer. Now next question, 56 plus 21 plus 11 minus 38 plus 44 minus 54. Write your answer. Now next question, 21 plus 25 minus 40 plus 53 minus 9 plus 22. Write your answer. Now next question, 89 plus 10 minus 77 plus 25 minus 40 plus 2. Write your answer. Now next question, 25 plus 52 minus 55 plus 27 minus 9 plus 5. Write your answer. Now next question, plus 16 plus 13 minus 9 plus 22 minus 40 plus 27. Write your answer. Now next question, 17 plus 22 minus 30 plus 50 minus 9 plus 25. Write your answer. Now next question, 27 plus 22 minus 9 plus 55 minus 40 plus 4. Write your answer. Now next question, 14 plus 15 minus 9 plus 22 minus 40 plus 2. Write your answer. Now you have to match your answer at the end. Stop the screen and match your answer. Then you have to send it to your teacher.